Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage notifications in Google One. Managing notifications in Google One is important if you want to stay updated without being overwhelmed. And Google One sends alerts about storage usage, backup, security updates, offers and new features, and Google has made notification control more flexible. And you can choose exactly what you want to receive and turn off what you don't. And you can launch it over here. And once you get into this interface of a Google One, what you can do is in the top left, we can find there's an option for the three-line icon there. Click there and you need to go to the setting. And under this setting, you can simply select this notifications. Under this notification, we can find there's an option for the turn on notifications. Simply tap over there and select allow. And that is it. You can also manually turn it on if you prefer, so of your storage and backup, benefits and offers, features and content, and depending on your preference as well. And managing notifications in Google One is simple but powerful whether you use the website on mobile, and you can fully control where alerts you receive by customizing setting. You can avoid unnecessary distraction while still getting important updates about your storage, security and backups. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.